I'm at Five Below because I ran out of gift boxes, and while I'm here, I'll give you some last minute Christmas gift ideas. As soon as I walked in, I found the gift boxes. Some of them came in 8 packs and some of them came in 10 packs. So let me show you the designs that they do have. Now this is a really cute blanket. It says game over on it. And I thought this was really cool, especially for kids who like to game. Here is this really pretty plaid blanket. And here's one that's red. And then red with gray. Now I did see these, they're called Crazy Slimy, and they're actually scented. So I'll show you the 3 colors that I saw. Now another great gift idea are books. Now here are some that are actually for learning. They have them separated by different grades. And I thought this was really cool, a children's cookbook. And here's one for anyone who is trying to boost their immunity. And I really like this. I thought it was really cool. It is called a self-care journal. It says, make yourself a priority. And normally their shelves are packed with water bottles. Here are a few that were left. These 2 were honestly my favorite. I love the colors on there. These were only $3.25. And by Green Canteen, there are some stainless steel straws, and it does include the cleaning brush. And here are a couple of hand massage rollers. One is gray, the other one was a dark teal, and I did find these in the sporting goods department. And here is the back of them. Now I have been finding and seeing these multi-level back stretchers. So I'm going to go ahead and pick this one up as a last minute gift for someone. Now the mugs that they had I thought were still so beautiful. I do love seeing their mugs. Like this one says, enjoy the journey. This one says, you are my sun, you are my moon and my stars. Yay for today. I'm loving them, and they're like these dark beautiful teal colors, which if you haven't caught on is my favorite. For $5.55 from the company Room to Room, you have this really beautiful decorative board, and the bark of the wood goes all the way around. It's not meant for food, but it's a great decorative piece. And this is also by Room to Room. It's this noodle bowl. And it does include the chopsticks and the little spoon. Five Below does have these different decks of cards. This one is inspirational and uplifting Bible verses. This other one is daily meditations for everyday life. Another last minute gift idea are these cute little keychains. You can actually take this little keychain and combine it with the little bowls that we just saw, and that would make a great gift. The keychains do have different prices, so they are color coded. You can see a little dot on the back, and like this one was this deep red color. It was $3.50. Now here's another set of keychains. They're friendship key rings. And here's one that says best friends. And as you can tell, like this one's got a little orange dot, and that one would be $3. This one includes a lanyard and the key ring. And that one's purple, and that one would be $5. Moving right along, Five Below carries a large variety of iPhone phone cases. I'll show you a few of them here, but I did see iPhone 6 all the way up to iPhone 14, and that includes the Max and the Pros, like this one, 14 Pros, iPhone XR, iPhone 11. the iPhone 13 and 12 and 12 Pros, they have a large variety. And as a last minute gift idea, socks. You can never go wrong with socks, especially when they have this little grippers on the bottom. Like these are Sherpa lined, super warm and cozy. And here we have some scrunchies. This is a large variety pack. They do carry the Kendall and Kylie at Five Below, and I will show you some of their products. They are these cute little purses, card holders, and Kendall and Kylie coin bags. And I'll show you some of these designs. And by Forever Fabulous, they have a set of 6 nail polishes. And here is another set. Five Below also carries Everyday Glam eyeshadow palettes. And this one is called Amethyst. It says 100% vegan, and look at the shimmer on these. And by Bella Pierre, you get these 4 matte lipsticks. And let me adjust the framing so you can see its subtle differences. LA Colors has this lip gloss collection. It comes in a package of 5. And as a last minute gift idea, Five Below does carry a lot of the Freeman products. These boxes come with 2 different products, and they also sell items individually. So you can easily create a basket or just give 1 or 2 away. And this is new, Freeman Eye Cream. I've been trying it out, and so far I am really liking it so much that I've already finished off the first little jar. So I'm picking this one up. And if you want to kind of jump ahead, they already have New Year's Eve items. So they have a lot of bead necklaces, those fun glasses. Here's a New Year's Eve party kit. I thought this was fun. A headband with disco balls and little tinsel. They have these really nice cups. And I'll show you the straws. They actually have the little disco ball on the straws. And I didn't see too many plushes, but I did see this one. I thought he was adorable. I love the colors on this little guy. And of course, you cannot walk out of Five Below without seeing all of their candy. So with that said, I am going to go ahead and end this vlog. I know it's short, but just some really quick last minute gift ideas from Five Below. Remember to like and subscribe and leave me a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.